Welcome to Center Stage Meditation. This meditation exercise is not to be played while driving or operating machinery. Relax and find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest loosely, your feet to be uncrossed, and your shoulders to drop. Take a deep, cleansing breath in, and as you exhale, let your eyes gently close. For the next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do, and no problems you need to solve. Your conscious mind can simply sit back and observe, while your deeper, subconscious mind steps forward to do the beautiful work of shifting your reality. We begin by entering the alpha state, the baseline of your mind, where all transformation becomes effortless and authentic. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, mentally project the number 3 times. 3, 3, 3. As you see or feel the number 3, consciously allow a wave of relaxation to cascade from the very top of your head down through your scalp. Feel the tiny muscles around your eyes soften and release. Let your jaw go loose. Feel this relaxation flowing down your neck into your shoulders, letting them drop heavily down through your arms, your hands, and right out through your fingertips. The relaxation moves down your spine, into your hips, down your thighs, your calves, and out through the soles of your feet. Your body is now beautifully relaxed, deeply comfortable, and completely at ease. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, mentally project the number 2 3 times. 2, 2, 2. As you see or feel the number 2, your mind begins to quiet. Any passing thoughts are simply like white clouds drifting across a vast blue sky. You see them and you let them pass by. Tune into the spaces between the thoughts. Hear the stillness. Feel the quiet peace spreading through your mind. You are becoming deeply receptive, perfectly calm, and completely safe. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, mentally project the number 1 3 times. 1, 1, 1. You are now at level 1. This is your baseline level of mind, a place of perfect balance, where your creative visualization is magnified and your subconscious mind is wide open to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Now, we prepare to leave this current reality behind. We are going to count down from 10 to 1. With every descending number, you will find yourself drifting deeper, your consciousness expanding beyond the boundaries of time, space, and this physical room. 10. Drifting down. Allow yourself to go deeper, letting go of the physical world. 9. Feeling lighter, as if you are floating into a space of pure awareness. 8. Deeper and deeper. Your conscious mind sleeps while your subconscious awakens to your true power. 7. Moving past the collective rules of what is possible or impossible. 6. Floating weightlessly. You can sense the shift occurring in your internal frequency right now. 5. Halfway down, deeply relaxed, fully supported. 4. Expanding. You are now vast, infinite, and ready to choose a new path. 3. The air around you feels different, charged with high vibrational energy. 2. Almost there. Total peace, total alignment. 1. You are completely there. Look in front of you. In this beautiful, quiet space of your mind, you are standing directly in front of a magnificent, shimmering quantum door. Take a moment to perceive it. Notice its texture, its color, and the subtle, radiant glow emanating from its edges. This door is the gateway to the multiverse. Behind this door lies the grand theater of center stage. Reach out your hand, touch the handle, open the door, step through, and let it gently close behind you. You are now standing in the wings of a magnificent, empty theater. The house lights are dim, but the spotlight is shining brilliantly, directly on center stage. Walk out onto the stage. Step directly into that warm, golden spotlight. This is the place of absolute creation. On center stage, whatever you visualize becomes the absolute truth of your reality. I want you to think about the financial abundance you desire. Do not think about how it will happen. Bypass the logistics because your conscious mind doesn't need to figure it out. The universe already knows the way. Instead, look out into the future. See yourself already having attained it. See the look of relief and absolute joy on your face in that future moment. Hear the sounds of safety, the sigh of relief, or the voice of a loved one saying, "I am so incredibly proud of you." Feel the profound weight of security in your chest, the absolute knowing that you are provided for. If there is any doubt or obstacle that tries to creep into your mind, see it appear on the stage as a faint, harmless shadow, and then watch the brilliant spotlight instantly dissolve it into pure light. Now, anchor this reality with a date. In your mind's eye, see a calendar page or a digital screen displaying the exact target date when this abundance is fully yours. Look at that date. Lock it into your mind. And now, realize the action you took to get there. You don't need to know the whole story. Just know that you stepped up, you took action, and it worked. Feel the pride of that action. As you stand on center stage, basking in the reality of your success, a brilliant beam of light descends from the higher intelligence of the cosmos. It lands directly on the center stage table in front of you. As the light softens, you see it. It is a physical, tangible check issued from the universal bank. Step forward and pick it up. Feel the texture of the paper between your fingers. Look at the payee line. Your name is written there perfectly. Look at the amount. See the exact, magnificent financial figure you require, written out in bold, undeniable ink. Look at the signature line. It is signed by higher intelligence, backed by the infinite wealth of the universe. As you hold this check, a profound shift happens within your biology. You are no longer chasing money. You are no longer wanting money. Because you hold the check, you possess the wealth already. Feel a magnetic pull activating in the center of your chest. You are turning into a literal magnet for money. Like iron filings rushing toward a powerful magnet, opportunities, ideas, windfalls, and abundance are now being beautifully drawn toward your frequency. It is authentic. It is automatic. Your subconscious accepts this check as absolute fact. The transaction is complete. Press that check against your chest. Let it dissolve directly into your heart center, locking this frequency into every single cell of your body. You have seen the end result. You have locked in the date. You have accepted the wealth from the universal bank. You are no longer the person who walked into this theater. You are now the version of you who has it all. Take a deep breath and let this new reality settle. It is done. It is written. It is real. It is time to bring this new, magnetic frequency back into your physical world. I am going to count from 1 to 5. With every number, you will bring this heightened state of abundance back with you, ready to act as a magnet the moment you open your eyes. 1. Leaving the theater behind, knowing the quantum door remains open in your subconscious. 2. Feeling the physical sensation of the room around you, bringing the universal bank's energy back into your physical body. 3. Your mind is clear, sharp, and perfectly aligned with your target date and your successful actions. 4. Feeling an incredible sense of joy, gratitude, and peaceful certainty washing over you. 5. Take a deep, refreshing breath, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, open your eyes, fully awake, fully aware, and operating as a powerful magnet for abundance.